Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart your cube and tension it and clean it. All you need is these three things: paper towels, your cube, which is just a given, and your screwdriver. So all you want to do is take apart your cube. If you don't know how to do that, rotate one of the axes 90 degrees and simply grab this cube, grab this edge piece just here. Sometimes it's easy to move these apart while you're doing that, but once you've got that, it's fairly simple to take apart the rest. So I'm going to put my corner pieces up here and my edge pieces down here. It's good to have them separated so you know which ones you're cleaning. I like doing them separated. It makes it easier. But anyway, we'll speed this up. So once you have that done, you can take off the cap pieces. You can do it first as well, which I usually do. I just kind of forgot at the moment. For those of you who don't know, this is the brand of cube that I have. It's a Qi Warrior W. At least I think it is. I'm not exactly sure. I made a couple guesses because I got it for free from a friend. And they actually introduced me to cubing, so I'm very grateful to them for that. But for now, all we want to do is grab our paper towels. I'm just going to grab about 2 here. I'm going to put these to the side here, and you're going to grab your pieces. I like to start with your corners, and you see how, if my camera focuses, there's heaps of grime and like sandy bits in there, so you want to just wipe all of it out. See how much better that looks? Even just in this bit just here. Do that. Some people like to take apart even their pieces to get what's inside there. I personally, it doesn't really matter, so I'm going to put the clean ones to the side, and you just want to make sure you get every little piece. So I will speed this up. Onto the edge pieces, all you want to do is you make sure that you're getting under here and even under there. So, the reason I'm using paper towels is because they're thin and they can get into small spaces, like just in here. Okay, so once you've done the edge pieces, some people like to clean their caps. I do that as well. You just want to get like right just in there. See how there's a lot of grime there? Sometimes that can fall out and cause the rest of the cube to be a little bit messy or dirty, unclean, whatever you want to say. After we've done the caps, we can just really quickly. So we've done the caps. Now we want to go into the core. So this is pretty much a standard core. You'll have 6 middle pieces here, and you just want to go make sure you get like all. The paper towel's hard to see through. So like that, and getting everywhere under. So once you've done that, you can start putting your cube back together. What I usually do is I put the caps on first, so we know that white is opposite yellow, and we know that orange is opposite red. And how I like to remember this is I usually have orange facing towards me, and I have white on the top, and I know that green goes there. And then all you want to do, just to double check, just in case, is you want to grab any corner piece and align it up with all the colours like that, and you can tell it's right when all 3 colours match. There we go. So that last edge piece can be a bit hard. So you'll notice as soon as you do this, it is feeling a lot cleaner. So you will notice a bit of a change in the actual feel of the cube. So you will get used to that. Hopefully it will feel a lot smoother. And then what you want to do is you want to grab your screwdriver and take off all the center caps again, like so, just like that. And you want to grab your screwdriver and you just want to put it in, and you want to rotate it. I'm not going to actually do mine, just to show you guys. Gonna rotate it until, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's a good way to remember it. Until you can see that when you go like this, it looks around about that. You can change it. Actually, I'm gonna loosen these ones up a little bit because I'm finding them a bit loose. Just these ones, like that, and then you can have another look. That looks pretty good to me. You want to make it so that it's still a bit hard to do these corner twists, so that you won't be doing them while you're solving. And then put the caps back on. And then once you've got all of the caps back on, you can get to your solving.